You know what? Love is crucial as perspective. Ano man, kinimanggong gugma, mauni siya ang fuel sa imuhang pagpangalagad. Amen? No, kung ikaw karon, no, pwede kayo, no, nangalagad ka, no, pero wala na kay gugma. Amen? No, it is really hard to serve the Lord with an empty heart. Ano man, kung ikaw karon, no, nag-serve na lang ka ni Lord without love, serving will become a problem. Kung nag-worship na lang ka kay Lord karon without love, worshiping Him will become a problem. Okay? If you do ministry without love, ministry will become a problem. And it will really become a burden sa imuha. Ano man, without love, everything will become a task. Everything will become heavy. Ano man, wala na may gugma. Amen? So let's assess our heart today. Nag-a-appeal na lang baga og LG. Kay tungod, gi-appeal kasi mga leader. Nisimba na lang baka kay hala, i-check na ko inyong attendance, ha? Nihatag na lang baka kay Lord tungod kay giving naman. Mubasa na lang ba kag Bible kay tungod? Obligado na lang. Nagakandak na lang ba ka og LG kung ikaw leader? It's because kinahanglan na lang. Wala na gugma.